For part 2 of the final project, you are going to be creating supplemental materials to add to part 1 of the research process wiki. So there are multiple options that you have for creating supplemental materials, and some of these are you are going to want to create a Google Doc for. So for example, the assignment worksheet you would want to create in Google Docs. You might also want to do that for the list of recommended credible resources, or even if you're going to create examples that illuminate a part of a discussion. So let's look at how to do this. So for this example, I created a worksheet so that the new college student can learn how to use Academic Search Premier. So I went ahead and created this worksheet in my Google Docs, and I would recommend doing it this way, and I will show you how. Your My SMCCD email is connected to Google. Well, it's a Google account that the school uses. So you have these options through your My SMCCD email. So what you're going to do is go into your My SMCCD email, and you'll see that there's this little square up here at the top. You will click on that and then select Drive. Once you do that, your drive will open up, and you can go ahead and click on the New button, and then you can create a Google Docs, which is essentially like a Microsoft Office or Microsoft Word, excuse me. Or you can create Google Sheets, which is like an Excel document, or Google Slides, which is like a PowerPoint document. So whatever you would like to create. So you can go ahead and click Google Docs, and it will open up a document for you, and it will save within your drive. So I went ahead and did that with Academic Search Premier. Once you create your document, it does automatically save to your Google Drive, but what I need is the link for this particular document. So if you go to the share corner up here, what you're going to say is get a shareable link. So you want to click on get a shareable link, and then it says anyone with the link can view. So this is exactly what you want. So you need the link to this document. So you're just going to go ahead and copy that link and just hit done. So now this is shared with anyone who has the link, and you can see anyone with the link can see it. Then I'm going to go into my wiki and click on the section that I want to modify. So in this instance, I'm going to go into locating in-depth materials, periodical section. So this step of the research process is the step that I'm going to modify. And again, I want to click on edit because I'm modifying it. And I'm going to scroll down to the section that is relevant. So here is Academic Search Premier section. So I'm going to go ahead, and I need to include the document link in the wiki. So I'm going to say, click here for the ASP worksheet. So I'm going to remove the italicizing. And then I'm going to add my link. So I just go into here and I say insert edit link. And then I copy and paste my link to my document and I say insert. I would then go and give a description of what this worksheet is and why it's relevant to this particular section. So you would go ahead and add that description afterwards. Once you are done, then you would say save. And now you can see my link is here. So I can go ahead, click here for ASP worksheet. I can go ahead and click on that, and it brings up my document.